Today's video, we are diving into a prop firm called Pivix Funded. If you've heard of FTMO or Funded Next, you already know the idea. Pass a challenge and trade with a big funded account. But here's where Pivix really stand out. It's built for crypto traders with clear rules, weekly payouts, and account sizes that scale up to $200,000 in capital. And yes, profits above that, you can actually withdraw them. That's huge. Let me show you how it works. So I'll be sharing. And as you can see here, these are the accounts that you will be able to get. So there's $200,000 account here, $100,000. You can also get $50,000. These are the profit target. 10% for the 50K. Maximum loss limit 6%. Daily loss limit is 4%. Profit split is 80%. Minimum trading days 5 days. Payout schedule 14 days. Leverage is 1/30, and refundable fee is $299. And as you can see here, we have here an account balance and as you can see here, we just got the highest account balance or initial balance. That's $200,000. However, we are down 0.02% right now. But the next time that we are going to trade, we are going to use the MACD strategy, and that is going to be more efficient on our next trade. So make sure to subscribe, click that bell icon so you will be notified if we have an update about my trading journey here in Pivix, and I will be creating more tutorial in the future for you to check it out. And in my accounts, I will be walking you through on all of the things that you need to know about the user interface of Pivix. So here we have an active. So right now this is our active trade, and the platform information, as you can see, we can trade using MatchTrader, and the server is MatchTrader Pivix. If you want to start Pivix right now, they actually have 60% discount. Just use this code. So that's welcome 60, and use this at checkout. Let's click on get my account so I can show you the discount code. So it's there. So there you go. It was applied, and as you can see, we just got discounts here. So instead of paying $99 for the $5,000 account, upon using welcome 60 promo code, it went down to $39 only for 10,000 account. And for this 10,000 account size, it's only $79 right now. And for this 25,000, $159 instead of paying $399, and so on. This account size has the best value. So this should be $1,000.99. The price went down to $439, and you just saved $660 here. So this is the prop firm challenge. It's basically a test. You can trade during an evaluation phase, and if you pass, you unlock a funded account. From there, you keep a profit split. With Pivex up to 90%. The best part is it's risk-free. You're not putting your own money on the line. Now, FTMO and Funded Next are strong for Forex, but when it comes to crypto, Pivex is one of the only firms making it first class. Here's what I noticed when I tested Pivex's dashboard. It's super clean. It has super clean UI with the TradingView style charts with charts built into MatchTrader. Rules are all visible, no hidden conditions, and they have 24/7 support plus access to a trading academy. Unlike other that drag out a two-step process, Pivex has a one-step valuation. Account sizes are flexible, payouts can be weekly, and profit shares can scale up to 90%. And the part that personally impressed me, they allow you to trade up to $200,000 in capital. And if your trading grows beyond that, you can withdraw profits above that cap. That's rare in this space, guys. And honestly, it's what convinced me in this. And honestly, it's what convinced me. This is worth trying. Trading on Pivex happens on MatchTrader, which works a lot like TradingView. So you get real-time charts, indicators, and a smooth surface and a smooth interface. You can trade top cryptos like BTC, Ethereum, XRP, Sol, and more. Think about it. If you've been scalping altcoins on Binance with just a small balance, imagine scaling that strategy up on a 50K, 100K, or even $200,000 funded account. $200,000 funded account. That's a kind of opportunity that can take your trading from hobby size to real professional level. Let's compare it with FTMO and funded next. So FTMO and funded next are solid for Forex, but for crypto trading, there is usually secondary. With Pivex, it's the main focus. They've got transparent rules, weekly payouts, and no hidden tricks. If you're already comfortable trading DeFi and crypto, this is one of the few firms where your skills directly apply. No need to adjust strategies around Forex only rules. So here's the takeaway. Pivex lets crypto traders scale up to $200,000 in capital with weekly payouts up to 90% profit share, and even the ability to withdraw profits above the account size. You also get 50% off the challenge, and for my audience you also get 50% off the challenge and any add-ons using the link in the description or the code Freddy. As always, do your own research, but if you know how to trade, Pivix could be your next step. Thanks for watching, guys. Trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.